Hello, my people. Yeah, I don't come again to update our mindset. Like you all know, yes, I want to bring up the drama when happen for court today. Yes, now wahala not too much. As as then they feel say APC lawyers they feel say yes, no more evidence for Peter Obi. Now there more evidence they come out, more evidence they come out from nowhere, and this evidence, if you wear glass, when they go load this evidence come out, you go first remove your glass because you need to check the evidence well. The cooler of this evidence, when they bring and they come inside court, you go dey feel say na cooler of food. If you dey hungry before, you go dey open, you go dey lose your bet. You understand na evidence cooler. But wahala no too much. Yes na. So inside court, when INEC lawyer hand don come punish am, him come admit say Tinubu no score 25% for FCT. Yes na, he admit say Tinubu no score 25%. So when they come ask am say, since una know say Tinubu no score 25% for FCT, why una come pronounce am as president elect? Yes na, wahala no too much. E no stop for there o, e no stop there o. So those judges na, they no arrive for court on time. The Labour Party lawyers, PDP lawyers, they don dey court before judges arrive. So when they come arrive, dem dey feel say Labour Party na, due to the plenty evidence, cooler of evidence, dem use more than 6 healers take carry evidence come last court. So the judges mind be say no more evidence for today. So when they come call Labour Party lawyers make dem stand up, one of them come stand up, dem come say, okay, where are your evidence? When the lawyer look back, as he do as he know once he just do am, na 4 healers of evidence na e come now. When they begin bring the load evidence they come, they bring evidence they come. The man tire, the judge tire. That's why I felt to come say if Labour Party bring the evidence, you must remove your gas to look am. As they begin they import the evidence they come, they import and they come. That's why the judge open him glass. Okay, right now, if you dey think say I dey make up this video, I wan bring am come up make you watch and see wetin go on. And as you dey watch am, make sure say you go like, comment and share so that Facebook go also recommend am to other people wey never see am. Thank you. Now watch.
It was intentional, but INEC lawyers today in court admitted that a candidate must score 25% in the FCT to be declared winner. This was how it happened. Let me break it down. It was during the cross-examination of witnesses. And then the INEC lawyer was cross-examining one of the PDP witnesses. And then INEC lawyer asked the witness, he said, do you realize that Atiku didn't score 25% in the FCT? Then the PDP witness said, yes. INEC lawyer then said, since he didn't get 25% in the FCT, do you know that he can't be declared president? Then the PDP witness replied. He said, even Tinubu didn't score 25% in the FCT, and you made him president. And it was a very serious moment that got the whole court laughing. It was really serious, but the whole court burst out laughing because the irony, the hypocrisy of it all. Then at this point, the INEC lawyer became confused. Then he said, that's not my question. Atiku scored 15% in the FCT. Why did you write in your testimony that he should be declared president? This is INEC lawyer asking the PDP witness now. Then the PDP witness replied. He said, because even Tinubu did not get 25% in the FCT, if they can declare him, then they can also declare Atiku president. And the court went hysterical again. And it just pains me that this was not televised. Why didn't these people televise this thing? Nigerians deserve to see all this in court. And I think they really refused to televise this just to avoid the pressure that would have been on the judiciary from the public. Because imagine if this was televised and the whole Nigeria was watching. Ordinarily, this admission from INEC should nullify the elections. Because these are INEC lawyers now talking about this 25% being sacrosanct with their own mouth. Now, I'm just thinking, that one of two things must have happened here. One, it is either the INEC lawyers were so occupied and they were carried away with trying to just discredit the testimony of Atiku's witness that they forgot that 25% issue they were raising was against their own declaration, or is against their own declaration too. Or either the INEC or the lawyers are intentionally trying to just throw away this case. They are trying to lose the case intentionally because openly you have used the same 25% argument to discredit your own announcement. Now, whether it was intentional, whether it was a mistake, remains a subject for another day. That remains a mystery. What is conspicuous, what is clear here is that only one candidate scored 25% in FCT in that courtroom, and that is His Excellency Peter Obi. And I know his lawyers are watching, they are listening. The judges of the appeal court, the judges of the tribunal, they are watching, they are listening. Everybody can see how the INEC lawyers have laid this bare. Peter Obi lawyers have not even brought up the 25% issue. Now, INEC lawyers use their own mouths, they confirm them now. Now, they could raise the argument of context. They may say the context within which the INEC lawyer said it was different. But the thing is, one may argue that INEC lawyers were just trying to discredit the testimony of the PDP witness using the 25%. You know, the PDP witness had written that Atiku should be declared president. So maybe INEC was just trying to discredit that using the 25%. But in law, there is something called admissible evidence. If while trying to discredit the testimony of Atiku's witness, then INEC, you don't see anything in the world to use to discredit it. Now 25%, you can't go pick. If while trying to discredit the testimony of Atiku's witness, you admit that 25% is compulsory, that is admissible evidence, then Obi's lawyers can now use it against you when they bring up the case of 25%. And that's exactly what INEC did here. You know, they gave away admissible evidence by saying that, are you aware that Atiku did not score 25%? If Atiku scored 15%, why are you now asking that we should declare him president? It means you are saying anybody that did not score 25% should not even think about being declared president. It's simple. This thing is simple. No need for any further argument.